Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm the Chess Nerd, and today we're going to be unboxing a little special things. We have some airmail today. That is consists of some chess things, some non-chess things. They'll be added in the bonus part of this video. And let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 packages to unbox. This package has a lot of stamps on it. It's really cool. Look at that. And I don't know, it's EESTI mail, so I guess it's Estonia. So let's open this. I'm not really good at opening envelopes. I usually just do like this. And I kind of tear it open. I know you're not supposed to do that. But like I'm really bad at knowing the right way. So yeah, this is it. So what did I get? Ooh. Okay, so I just got like an envelope, and this is our first chess player on a dollar bill. This, can you guess who it is? Do you recognize this person? This is Keres. Legendary GM. He's in our tournament, Zurich International Tournament. And he's in our tournament, Bled 1959. Both I'm analyzing on my Instagram channel. Go check that out. I respond to all DMs, so say hi too. Keres looking brilliant. Look at that. This is the current national bill of Estonia. Keres making the figure. That's how big of a legend he is for all of Estonia. What a beauty. I think he's from Varna, and in the center of Varna, there is a square with his statue on it, and like the other seat is open, so a lot of people come from all around the world to play against a statue of Keres in the park center of Varna, which is, I think, a city in Estonia. It's not the capital. Tallinn is the capital. But yeah, it's really cool that he has gained such a legendary status, and his people see him for who he really is, importance-wise. Again, a lot of stamps on this one too. So this is the Armenia bill. Woo! So pretty. Oh my god. This is by far my favorite thing I've ever received. This is entirely worth the money. This was $13. This is the legendary Tigran Petrosian. Chess legend in all of Armenia. If you haven't seen my Armenia documentary, Armenia and Chess, go watch it because he's featured heavily in it. And look at that face and the boards behind him. It's so pretty. And this is a 2000 dram, which is Armenian currency. And oh my god, look at that perfect, beautiful human being. What a chess legend. And this is why I did this, because this is the best ever anything anyone can receive. This goes in my collection directly just for the love of chess. Next up, we have another package from Eastern Europe. It's from Lithuania. So let's open it up. What could this be? I wonder what this could be. Looking a little small, huh? Okay, let's unbox this. Well packaged eBay sellers, really well done. Okay, this is super cool. So this is a euro, a 2 euro coin that I bought off eBay. And the special thing about it, if you zoom in, look at this. This is Keres on a 2 euro coin. Look at that. And here he's playing chess on these little tiny chess pieces. So he's playing chess on these little chess pieces. You can see right underneath his chin, and it's a beautiful coin. This only circulates, I think, in Estonia. Well, it's a euro coin, but is super beautiful. And Paul Keres, again, they're acknowledging their legends. I'm all for it. So what a piece of currency there. So this package that I received is from Kentucky, a little city called Erlanger. We didn't buy something from Kentucky, but let's see what it is. Trying not to break it. So we just got this in the package, so I guess that's it. I'm just kidding. Holy shit. Wow. So what just dropped is this. This goes in the bonus footage. This is a quintillion bill currency from Hungary. Hungary experienced a massive inflation in 1946, and some of these bills, like the highest currency ever created, this is 100 quintillion dollars, or 100 billion trillion, one of the highest notes ever created, and we have it here. Very, very nice. Next up, we have a package from Germany. You can see right there. Let's block the name. It says Germany. So let's get it. This one's really hard to open. Rigid packaging. So I actually don't remember where these are from, and I didn't check because just to get the surprise to another level. Okay, so this is the second bill that we have today. Wow. Also goes in the bonus section. This is a very special bill. This is a $50 trillion bill issued by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. In 2008, Zimbabwe experienced massive inflation, and so here is a bill of that. Basically, what I'm doing with this is I'm trying to collect, so I have 2 so far. And yeah, this one is actually rated out of 70, so it has a 66 PPQ. This is the company that rates the bills, and it's out of 70, so it's in a really good condition. The next package is from Yerevan, Armenia. So I think you guys all know what this is going to be. No, it's not going to be Levon Aronian. It's going to be another legend, more back in the day type thing. This one is from China, so I'm really excited to see what it is. Again, I don't really remember where exactly they're from. I don't really remember what exactly I bought from where, so this is interesting to see. So create a small hole, which is always risky, and then the hole expands from there. Ooh, nearly ruined the surprise there. Again, it's Zimbabwe, which you just saw, but this is a $100 trillion bill issued by the Bank of Zimbabwe the same year in 2008, where they had massive inflation, also called hyperinflation. And this one is graded as 66 by PMG, a different company. 66, once again, on 70, so it's a really nice bill, crisp as you can see. And I'm just investing, see how it goes, if they gain value, or if not, it's super fun to have. And yeah, issued by the Bank of Zimbabwe. So this one is from Phoenix, Arizona. I actually have a student from Phoenix. He's not from Phoenix, from Arizona. He lives in Goodyear. Ooh, look at these stamps though. Really wanted to show them to you guys. Super cool, huh? So yeah, I have a student in Goodyear. He's a really nice guy. He's a barber. So this is the one from Arizona. Ooh. And this is another Tigran Petrosian bill. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh. Lovely, lovely, lovely. As we just saw a previous one. I love these to the eternity. This is just like the peak of my chess love. I'm even curious about the positions behind in the background, what they are. Maybe his famous games. And finally, we have the big one. Super big. So this one is from FedEx. This one is from Hong Kong. Oh, that was fun to do. And then once it's open, just pick up this parcel. Oh, so parcel in a parcel. Okay, and then again. And in this, another. Boom. Did I just leak my address? Yeah, I did. So this is from Hong Kong. Let's open it up. By the way, and another. This is like those ooh, I think we're finally getting to it. Oh my god, that's the best bill I've ever received. I've ever gotten, ever. You ready? And there we have it, another 100 trillion bill by the Bank of Zimbabwe, 66 rated PMG. I'm just betting. I'm not sure. These are investments. I'm betting on these to gain significant value over the coming years. Maybe in 10 years they'll be worth 10 times more. I bought this one probably at 130 USD. I expect it to go times 10 just because it's such a lovely item to own and it's so fun to have. So that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. What was your favorite part of it? What did you like more? Was it the coin? Was it the Tigran? Was it the Keres? Or was it the extras, the bonus footage? Sadly, there aren't more GMs that are on bills. I would have bought them. But they're just Keres on the currency, on the bill, and Tigran Petrosian on Armenian's dram. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video. More people can see it and more people can access my world. Subscribe as always and check my Instagram in the bio. I love you guys. Have a great day.
Sub to the chest nerd. There we have the channel.